Mukonyi Gusii muraibe kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka hayone gatia baraibande kurwase obumobwa azimio la umoja wa Kenya baba gukora itaro yabo ya mutukabere imeyorogo ngorwa Gusii abwasiri tukulia lero baba wikirana sinsemo imeye county ya Kisii gokwana abo chinsa chia mambia asomo buganyo Kamel paka mona bari kiamangana Kalonzo nigabaga kumochia serikali ya Kenya kwanza insi muraibe nse Dr. William Samoei Ruto kubwatkana no kogendera kumentera abakenya egurube gatia o komenta kwebango nigono nyana bo hateba buna abakenya bange nigo bagendrete go chandikane ne abo konyora wainse asimo igabaga ukwanira igoro yoborendi ase county ya Kisii nena asomo governor we county ya Kisii nechinga kibo igabaga kwegerera obwamate ase obumobwa azimio la umoja wa Kenya nene chinga kimuraibe kyamekyo omuraibo obumobwa azimio Raila Amolo Odinga hochia kogenda siganga yokulie kirogo kyobonya kirogo ase kyombe kyobumobwe chinse chia Africa AU askeri aterebuna obumobwo tibori go chiwatanika kurene nigo barachie gotigara bakogendera kubeke mirobere mekiranu yoko ene kyabuna mbogendere gotinga kigima.
We have to caution our fellow citizens against the excesses of this Kenya Kwanza regime. Determined, and they look so determined. We even see the headline news is that trying to have a plan for raising 16 trillion by adding more taxes. First of all, they are beginning, the KRA people are saying now from the 19th of March, leon tarehe ngapi? Kwanza 3 days, and they are giving only a lead time, unapatiwa 9 days to comply. Employer ana remit 1.5% na kila mtu 1.5%, yani ni mupende musipende kind of mentality, even though the issues are still being canvassed in our course of justice. So we have shared these thoughts with the people of Kisii and people of Nyamira. We have also made it very clear that we are watching the security agencies in particular, because they have issued a direct threat against the life of Governor Simbarati. We made this very clear yesterday. And we're also saying Azimio is united. We are so focused, in fact, even more than ever before, because all we are saying is let our captain, our brother Raila Odinga, go on and get this seat. And we are all fully in support. We are praying for him. Even some of us know some of these dynamics. We are able to see what we can do. But that does not mean kwamba Azimio itasambaratika. On the contrary, the people, we realize kusambaratika kwa Azimio will mean dashing the hopes and aspirations of Kenyans who want to see nothing but justice in their country.